to show you a thing I made to carry home wet paintings when you paint with oils or acrylics and they are still wet. And show you how it looks like. This thing. I'll show you. See you later. Making the thing. Alright guys, so here we go. First I'm taking a cube of foam, and cut it into 4. I need 4 pieces for the 4 corners because that's the main goal of the idea. And I will show you how I make the whole thing quite fast. So the width of the cube is the one that tells me how many panels I'm going to be able to carry. In this case, I am able to carry 5 panels, so I have to cut 5 slots for them. So far it seems it's working to carry 2, so let's make the other 2 and we'll have the 4 corners. Four corners are looking pretty awesome, so I'm going to make a tiny cut just to put a lace, a ribbon, in this case a Christmas ribbon because I didn't have any other, through all of them, so it will be easy to carry them outdoors. Okay, cool Kiyary, but does it work? Let's see. So let's check, put the 4 corners and put 2 panels and tie it up, and yeah, it seems to work, baby. To pack it away, just put it back into a cube form and there you go. We tied the knot and easy peasy lemon squeezy, lightweight carrying wet painting panels. Alright, for those non-believers, I'm gonna try with a different size of panels and now I'm gonna put 3, I think, or 4? Yeah, 3. And yeah, so far it's working. Taste these outdoors though. Okay, so here is a wet oil painting panel. I just finished painting this right now with that. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, so I just finished painting this one. It's wet, and this is a blank panel. They are the same size. So, and now I will open my thing. Okay, so this is a Christmas lace, but I couldn't find any other, so I just used this one. Okay, I open and you see it has, I made it in the way that you can carry up to 5 panels, so all the corners are like with 5, and just open them up. So I take the wet oil panel, I placed one corner there, I place the other corner here. It's on the second slot, so there we go. 1, 2, in the second slot. There we go. So far we got 1 panel. Okay, now I have to put the other panel on top, so yeah, the wet painting doesn't touch anything, right? I'm going to just put it in the second to last. So imagine I could put another extra panel there. Wait, holding the camera makes it a bit hard. There we go. So I left a slot in between them, but as you can see, you can carry up to 5 panels. In this moment I'm just carrying 2. One of them is wet, the other one is blank, and now I just make a knot here on the top. Alright, so here it is. And if I move this, I can squeeze and they won't touch. Now this, I can put it inside my backpack. And there you go, no problemo. Awesome. And I'm carrying a wet panel and I can carry up to 5. Hi guys, so I came back from the planner painting trip, like 5 minutes away from home. And a few side notes that you have to keep in mind if you try to use this kind of thing. One is that this is a very squeezable material, as you can see, like it can get very squeezed and it's very soft. So for the next time, I will definitely not leave a gap between the holes, because if I leave a gap between these holes, then I have two risks. One, that this will get squeezed, and second, that something can get in between the panels, so it will touch the whole wet painting and it will totally lose the whole purpose of avoiding the wet paint to be smudged or damaged. So don't leave a gap between the wet panels, that's one thing for sure. And another thing that I have to keep in mind is that the corners are going to be touching this thing, so definitely you have to repaint the corners and don't leave a gap between the panels. And I'm really happy with this thing. It's really lightweight. It weighs less than all my brushes, I think, because any brushes has, you know, wood and metal and the whole thing, and this is like so lightweight. I can hang it anywhere if I want, you know, if I want to wear it, like it's a great idea. Another great idea is just to fold it into a little tiny cube, which was the original, sort of the original form. Now will be like the opposite way. And then I just tie this around and I have a tiny cube that I can hang on my backpack. So yeah, that's, you know, lovely. It's so small, so lightweight, weighs nothing, and I really like it. But if you have any idea how I can carry my wet painting panels back home, especially if they don't weigh a lot, because I really don't like weight for my backpack, especially when I'm going hiking. I'm usually walking through a forest or in the mountains, so that's a lot of weight to carry through those paths, and I try to avoid anything that is very heavy. So this is a great solution for me for now, and if I find something else, or if I have an idea how to solve it in another way, that will be, yeah, that will be great. And if you have any, please leave them in the comments. I will read them, I will answer as soon as I can. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Hello, where's 𝕧𝕚𝕬𝕖𝕠? And I hope to see you, or I hope you to see me. You can also use it as a toy for cats. It's a great idea. I mean, come on, it's the best cat toy ever. They will love it, and that's another use for this little thing. See you soon.